Shandong Weike CNc Machinery Company Limited is located in Jinan City. It is a well-known manufacturer specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of aluminum doors, windows, and curtain wall equipment. It is the most large-scale and industrialized production enterprise in China. Our main products are an aluminum profile CNC precision cutting saw, an aluminum profile CNC drilling and milling machine, a corner crimping machine. We have CE product certificates, and we have strict quality control on each component before leaving the factory. We have a large production workshop, strong mechanical processing supporting capabilities, a high-quality scientific research team, and a high-tech production team. We have strong research and development strength, a perfect product system, and insist on independent innovation to continuously improve products in scientific and practical ways. The company has several offices in China, forming a one-stop comprehensive service system integrating product development, production, sales, and service. The company adheres to the development concept of striving for progress and pursuing excellence, continuously strengthens the core competitiveness of the industry, strives to achieve leap-forward development, and is committed to building a world-class professional supplier of energy-saving doors and windows for buildings. Our aim is to adapt to standards, adapt to competition, adapt to needs, serve the industry, serve customers, and serve the future. We welcome friends from all over the world to visit our factory.